Hey everyone, if you're going to sell your custom-made items, photos are your window to the world. They are your virtual resume. Why is this important? Because now you get to showcase your best work to the world. Hey everyone, Eric with Rock Your Hobby. In this video, let's talk about building out your profile the right way, and photos are the key. So already I've seen some people on the site who are uploading their photos, and I'm going to coach a few of them on how to do this a little better so they attract better clients. But taking really good photos of your best work, not your most recent work. Because sometimes, and this has happened to me, and maybe you'll identify with this, not every custom I've made has been a home run, in my opinion. I'm like, that's really good, but it's not the best thing I've ever done. So when I build out a profile, I want to make sure that all the best work is featured. And even if it's 4 or 5 years ago or 2 years ago or last summer or whenever it was, post the best photos, because that is what you're capable of. And that's what people are going to see. They're going to show the world that you are really good at what you do. Now, when you're building out your profile, like I'd mentioned before, I've already seen a few people, they're posting photos, and one thing you want to do is get a close-up of those models. Fill the frame of your camera, okay? Get in there. Don't take it 5 feet away because they can't see the detail. And that's not great. Even 3 foot away is not close enough. You want to get right up in there so they can see every nook and cranny, maybe the name on the door, a hood number, or whatever feature it is you want to showcase. You want to show them those details. Okay, make sure that you've got good light. I mean, again, I've seen people take photos on a dark desk with in a low lit room. That doesn't showcase your work very well. The very best things that I've seen is if you can get outside on a full sun day, and take some photos where the sun really illuminates the sparkle in paint and the detail and stripes and lettering. Man, that's premium right there. That looks really good. So a bright sunny day, or even a good room with really good light under fluorescence or something like that show, really highlight the colors of your models and the things that you've made. That is excellent. Then clean out the background. The photo on your dirty workbench, you might think it's cool because it shows that you're actually doing stuff, but it doesn't work for your photos very well. Get that out of find a clean background where there's no distractions, so the model is what people see. They're not distracted by your messy workbench. And then orient your videos or your photos right. So make sure that when you upload them, they're not vertical where a person has to turn their head and see what it is you've made. That's not good, man. That is not good. Don't do that. Go ahead and get those photos right there so they're horizontal and they're nice and square and they have a clean black background and the lighting is excellent. That is the key. That's going to show off your work. You're going to get better clients. You're going to get paid more, and it's going to make you awesome. Go do something great today.